Hey YouTube, Home's Outdoor Solutions here, bringing y'all a video on the beginning stages of building a 36-inch wide, 7-foot long, 30-inch tall sycamore slab dining table. So these slabs here are well over 7 foot long. I've already started marking off. I got them at 7¼ inch long from the good end, which is down yonder. This end's got a little bit of rot to it, so I'll just cut that end off. I got it marked. I got a track saw I just got. I'm gonna try it out, cut this down to size, do the same thing on the bottom slab, and then I'll put them in my homemade wood drying kiln, start drying them so they can be used indoors. So tag along for this little video series. I'll be updating whenever I get a chance to work on this thing, so stay tuned. Alright, as you can see, it did not cut all the way through, so I will hand saw this. Ain't too much to saw through, thank goodness. Cool. Alright, I'll do the same thing on this side as I did on the other side, cut it with that hand saw. Alright, I got the slab set inside my homemade wood drying kiln with the little fan down there getting a little airflow going, and the dehumidifier, which puts out some nice warm air. It sucks that moisture out of the air in the wood. Got the top weighted down, stickered, spaced, allow that airflow, and gonna let her sit in here for a minute. And it's gonna be more than a minute. Anyways, got them cut down to 7¼ long. Let them dry out, and then I'll be able to work with them. Start building this table. Y'all stay tuned. Follow along. Thank y'all for watching. This is Dakota, Home's Outdoor Solutions. Y'all have a good.